Hey guys, it's Vivian from Flex Machine Tools. I'm here today with Brian Haskett, and I wanted to talk about our partnership with Techniks. I know that we've been working with you guys for just around 10 years now, and you guys offer a really amazing package to our customers when they buy a FlexCNC, right?
Correct, yeah. So we came up with a tooling package for both a C-Series and a G-Series machine.
Okay.
So what it is, you know, I know when a customer buys a machine, they know what they're going to be working maybe for the next week or 2 weeks.
Right.
But down the road, they don't know what they're going to be doing with that machine. So these packages is like 51 pieces, drill chucks, end mill holders. It kind of allows them to start making chips the day they get the machine.
Gotcha.
They start around $1,000, so it's not a big price to the customer.
Right.
But it allows them to actually start making chips with this nice, beautiful unit.
It gives you a real turnkey solution to your immediate purchase of the FlexCNC.
100%. So we're going to offer a package both in the Cat 40 and Cat 50 to do that.
That's amazing. That sounds like a really worthwhile package that our end users are just absolutely going to love.
Most definitely.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate everything that Techniks does for us.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Amazing.